When I hear anyone mention Johnnie Cochran and even remotely discuss the issue of legacy as it relates to the Cochran Firm, there are a couple of things I want people to know about. The first is that the Cochran Firm is really a firm that's built on the notion of service to clients. Service is the first thing. I mean, Johnnie would say that all the time. This firm is about serving regular people, regular folk. You know, people always talk about no J's and OJs, and Johnnie was really serious about that. So the first thing I want people to understand is we are in a service industry. Mr. Cochran was about service and about good service to people who really deserve the best service they can possibly get, number one. The second thing I want people to understand is that Mr. Cochran really did believe in this notion of bringing the law to regular people in as many places as he could to touch as many people who were aggrieved and underrepresented as he could. And the Cochran Firm is still about that. We're still about trying to represent regular folk in the four corners of this country in every situation where they're underrepresented and not adequately represented, and we still want to do that. The third thing is when you deliver those services in all those arenas to all those people who have been underrepresented in the past, you want to make sure that you bring the best quality of service that you can. And Mr. Cochran was about that when he was alive, and my mandate and the mandate of every national partner in this firm and every lawyer that works with us is to do just that, to bring quality representation to every person that we represent and every person that we touch. Now the fourth thing is this: you can't be a firm and do good service in your community without being an integral part of that community. And a part of what Mr. Cochran was about and what we're all about as partners in the firm who have the obligation to carry forth this legacy into the future is to make sure that when we have an office, notwithstanding where it is, that office becomes a part of every community in which we practice. You can't be a changer in your community, you can't be an integral part of the community if you don't touch the people that you serve.